Welcome to CarWow 787, where we delve into the world of heavy-duty engines and trucking technology. If you're passionate about diesel engines and want to stay updated with the latest comparisons and reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between two prominent engines in the trucking industry, the Cummins L9 and the PACCAR MX-20. Both engines have carved out significant reputations, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's explore their specifications, performance metrics, and ideal applications. Cummins L9 Overview. The Cummins L9 is a versatile engine known for its reliability and efficiency. With a displacement of 8.9 liters, it's designed for medium-duty applications but doesn't shy away from demanding tasks. Horsepower. Ranging from 260 to 380 horsepower, the L9 offers flexibility depending on the specific needs of the vehicle. Torque. It delivers between 860 to 1,250 pounds-ft of torque, ensuring adequate pulling power for various loads. Weight. The engine has a dry weight of approximately 1,695 pounds, making it relatively lightweight for its class. Governed speed. Operating at 2,100 to 2,200 revolutions per minute, it balances performance with fuel efficiency. The L9's design emphasizes durability and ease of maintenance, making it a favorite among fleet operators who value uptime and cost-effectiveness. PACCAR MX-20 Overview. On the other hand, the PACCAR MX-20 is engineered for heavy-duty applications, boasting a larger displacement and higher power output. Displacement. At 12.9 liters, the MX-13 is built for more demanding tasks. Horsepower. It offers between 405 to 510 horsepower, catering to heavy-duty requirements. Torque. With torque ranging from 1,450 to 1,850 pounds-ft, it provides substantial pulling power for the heaviest loads. Weight. The engine's dry weight is around 2,600 pounds, reflecting its robust construction. Governed speed. Operating at 2,200 revolutions per minute, it ensures consistent performance across various terrains. The MX-13 is renowned for its fuel efficiency and long service intervals, making it a cost-effective choice for long-haul operations. Performance comparison. When comparing the two, it's evident that the MX-13 outperforms the L9 in terms of raw power and torque. However, this doesn't necessarily make it the better choice for all applications. Fuel efficiency. The L9, being lighter and designed for medium-duty tasks, often results in better fuel economy for regional and urban routes. Maintenance. Both engines are designed with maintenance in mind, but the L9's simpler design can lead to quicker service times. Application suitability. The MX-13 is ideal for long-haul and heavy-duty applications, while the L9 excels in regional deliveries and lighter loads. Both engines incorporate advanced technologies to enhance performance and efficiency. Utilizes a high-pressure common rail fuel system and advanced combustion technology to optimize fuel consumption and reduce emissions. Final thoughts. Choosing between the Cummins L9 and the PACCAR MX-13 depends largely on your specific operational needs. If your operations involve heavy loads over long distances, the MX-13's power and torque make it a suitable choice. Conversely, for regional deliveries and lighter loads, the L9 offers efficiency and reliability. Thanks for tuning into your channel name. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons in the world of trucking. Until next time, drive safe and keep those engines running smoothly.